Hi, my name is Leah Birmingham. I'm the Medical Director at Sandy Pines Wildlife Centre in Napanee. We are one of the largest wildlife centres in Eastern Ontario. We care for about 6,000 animals every year. So last year we in particular had some issues with a lot of wild canines coming in. We had orphaned foxes, we had juvenile foxes with mange, we had families of coyotes where there was a mother and her young. So when we're keeping them for that long in an enclosure, we want a fairly substantially sized enclosure so that they are well conditioned for life in the wild. Basically, we need a field that's far away from our existing enclosures to keep them as wild as possible. And when we release them, they're perfectly healthy, normal wild canines that don't want to be around people. So the new enclosure we're proposing, which is going to cost a fair amount of funds, is going to be a Canid enclosure. So it will be suitable for all wild canines. It will also be suitable for small bears, which we sometimes triage for short period of times before sending them away. So this enclosure is going to be a little bit further away from our building. It's going to be in one of our fields, and we're at the ground stage of this project. So we are in need of funding for it. It's probably going to cost us, at this point, a guesstimate would be $50,000. We're currently looking for contractors that may want to put in bids or offer time and donate time. It won't be an overly complex enclosure. It's mostly fencing with a few sheltered areas. So if you would like to donate and help us with this project that's very much needed, please check out our website, sandypines.org. Check us out on Facebook. We currently have a 50-50 draw going on that's in support of this enclosure. We have e-transfer. You can donate through Canada Helps. There's a multitude of methods you can donate online, or if you don't like to use online payment, you can send us a check. We will accept donations in any form that you can send them. So we're just greatly appreciative of the community support we get, and we're really hoping that by spring of 2022, we can make this project a reality.